Still warm too.
That is an excellent pound cake. That is the real old-fashioned.
Oh my God, this is good. No, no.
That is good.
Thank
That
you.
is
Oh.
Aaron Deane delivers the news.
In the newsroom, Aaron Deane on your side.
And at home, he keeps tradition alive.
Mom, I'm sorry my cabinet looks a mess. Alright.
Some of his favorite dishes start in the kitchen.
Good consistency. I like that.
A grandson's link to his grandmother.
Mom, aunt, grandma to everybody. Everyone loved her and just loved being around her because she was very, just had a good spirit about her.
Etta May Ramey spent a lot of time in the church, and what she made in this pan kept everybody talking.
Well, she cooked it for church functions. Somebody died, here's a cake, you know. Somebody's birthday, they'd be like, oh, Miss Ramey, I'd love one of them cakes for my birthday. If she liked you enough, she'd make it.
Her pound cakes, a popular treat, crafted right before Aaron's eyes.
I would just be in amazement. She'd get in that kitchen, she'd sift that flour, she'd get that mixer out, she'd just be going. And she wasn't that big of a person either. This little woman just whipping up them cakes and just mixing and beating, getting them eggs together, all that stuff. And I just be like, dang, Etta May. No. She's gotten there, she made magic.
See, look at it. There we go. That's a good speed.
Okay. Today, Aaron is sharing some of the lessons he learned with me.
Let it sit.
Patience and discipline, those are the two things that you will learn from making that cake.
All right, let's add a little bit more, and then I'll mix that, and then I'll script it around the bowl again. All right, dump, right there.
Stop. Okay. Ingredients for the pound cake include eggs, sugar, flour, and butter.
Blends together, looks good, tastes good, all that stuff. Like I said, you don't want nobody talking about you at church.
Plus some sour cream, baking soda, and flavoring.
We are now going to add the rest of these eggs one at a time.
All right, next egg going in.
Good.
It's looking good.
Thank you.
When you love to do something, it shows when the product is done.
Step by step, we mixed, beat, and prepared to bake.
Sounds
good.
I think that's why people enjoyed it the most, because they knew that she put her heart in it.
See, we can't even put this little bit in here because that's going to be too much. We have to wait till the rest of it's blended.
An hour and a half later,
You're just going to set it in there. And Alexa, set a timer for an hour and a half.
1 hour and 30 minutes.
All right.
the pound cake is ready for friends to taste.
You taste that real vanilla flavoring, that almond flavoring. You taste the hints of the butter.
Crunchiness on top, I like that.
And with the sweetness of the sugar, and it just kind of, it tastes real. It's authentic, and I think you can taste the authenticity.
Each of us meeting Etta May Ramey through a recipe perfected in every bite.
That's an excellent pound cake. That is the real old-fashioned.
Oh my God, this is good. No.
That is good.
Thank
That
you.
is
Oh.
I hope it reminds them of their grandmother or their grandfather, their mother, their father, their aunt, their uncle, whomever in their life made that dish that made them go, really bring them memories of home.
On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reaves.